Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on diagnosing non-reparable issues in HP 15X series laptops. In this tutorial, we will walk through the step-by-step process of identifying key problems, using the right tools, and understanding when a laptop may be beyond repair. First, let's gather the necessary tools for our diagnosis. You will need 1. A Phillips screwdriver, preferably size number 1 for the screws on the laptop. 2. A flathead screwdriver to help pry open the casing. 3. An anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to the internal components. 4. A can of compressed air for cleaning. 5. A multimeter for checking power issues. With our tools ready, let's start with the external examination of the laptop. Look for any visible damage on the casing or screen. Make sure to check the hinges for wear and tear. If you notice any cracks or severe dents, this may indicate a larger issue that could lead to a non-reparable condition. Now, let's move on to the internal components. Carefully remove the back panel using your Phillips screwdriver. Remember to keep track of all screws, as losing them can complicate reassembly. Once the panel is off, use the compressed air to clean out any dust or debris from the fans and heat sinks. This is crucial because overheating can cause significant damage to the motherboard, potentially leading to a non-reparable situation. After cleaning, inspect the motherboard for any signs of corrosion or burnt components. If you see damaged capacitors or chips, this may indicate that the laptop is non-reparable. If you're unsure about the condition of these components, using a multimeter can help check for continuity and voltage levels. If you find significant damage, you might be considering repair options. Keep in mind that we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, which can provide you with a clearer understanding of your laptop's condition. Next, let's check the battery. Remove it and visually inspect for any swelling or leakage. If your laptop won't power on at all, this could also mean it's non-reparable. If you're not comfortable handling these components, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your laptop assessed without the hassle of travel. Once you've completed your examination, you should have a clearer picture of whether the laptop is reparable or not. If you find minor issues, such as a faulty hard drive or memory, these can often be replaced. However, if the motherboard is compromised, it may be better to consider a replacement rather than repair. Before making any decisions, it's wise to get a quote before repair. This will help you understand the costs involved and whether it's worth pursuing repairs on the HP 15X series laptop. In summary, diagnosing a non-reparable laptop involves careful examination of both external and internal components, using appropriate tools, and understanding when it's time to seek professional help. If you find yourself struggling, remember that no calls, no travel is required when you opt for our services. We make the process simple and stress-free for you. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.